How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to get veiny arms permanently, step by step. I will do a workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise that we're gonna do is gonna be arm twists. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick little break. Oh. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do is going to be curls. So this is really good for your arms. 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little 5-second break. Next exercise is really good too. It squeezes. So grab your hands, squeeze as hard as you can. Hold this position for 20 seconds. So again, really, really good. You're going to notice big difference by doing this exercise. The key with this exercise though is squeezing. You have to squeeze really hard. If you're not squeezing hard, then the exercise is kind of pointless. So you got to make sure that you keep squeezing really hard. Okay, 5-second break. Next exercise is going to be a skull crusher or an overhead extension. We're going to get both arms, we're going to interlock them, and then we're going to extend. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next one's going to be arm circles. So 15 reps one way, 15 the other. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 15 the other way. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Quick little break. We are then going to do twists again. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Perfect, you guys. So that is the end of the workout. I recommend doing this workout at least once a day. You can do it twice a day if you want to. But yeah, end of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.